I have developed a shopping cart in Next.js. How can I back to landing page after done transaction? Let's dive in to learn it. Hello again. In our last learning session, we figured out how to move around different sections using the link tool. Even though the link thing usually works, some things we need to go to a specific section in a planned way. For example, let's say we are on a website like My Store and we want to fill up a shopping cart and place an order. After successfully submitting the order from users, often taken to a confirmation page. This is crucial for various kinds of from submission and usually needed in real applications. In this video, we'll learn how to move around using the AppRouter. Even if we have an online shopping website or a form to fill out in our example, let's pretend we do and create a button clicker that will guide you to a different spot within our application. For this example, when the user clicks the Done Order button on the shopping cart page, will send them to the main page. To start, let's make the shopping cart spot. Inside the app folder, make a new folder called shopping cart. In this folder, create a page.tsx file within a React component, which given back and with the word done. Now let's add a button to this page. Wrap with the React fragment and after the handling at the bottom with the label done. After that, add a clicker to the button using onClick and assign a function named handleClick. In this function, we want to move the use to the main page. So to do this, we'll use the useRouter tool. At the file's beginning, import the useRouter function from NextRouter. So import something from Next navigation, import useRouter, and here inside the component, use the function and assign the result to a constant called router. Now on this router, access the push method passing in the necessary spot / as an argument within the clicker. If you go to shopping cart in the browser, you may encounter an error. useRouter only works in client components. To fix this, add the useClient thing at the top of the file. Going back to the browser, you should now see shopping cart handling and the done button. Clicking on the button will move you to the main part of the application. This is essentially how you can move around with the AppRouter. Currently, we are passing / as the argument to router push, but you can use any valid spot you have used in the href attribute of the link tool. This means you can move to nested route, dynamic route, and even catch-all routes. As a side note, if you want to replace the history instead of adding the route to the stack, you can use route replace. This action is similar to setting the replace prop to true on the link tool. Also, you can use router back without any arguments to go back to the previous routes in the browser's history stack. You can also use router forward to go forward to the next routes. Thanks for watching. Please think about subscribing to the channel and I will catch you in the next video.